Jesus. This is... Oh, thank God. Friday is in a couple days' time, alright? And then we won't have to deal with this, because my hat isn't here. Anyway, guys, welcome back to my channel, GGFOREX. What is going on? Things have been pretty insane lately. Like, I mean insane. If you guys have been following my Instagram, boom, is right there. I share with you everything. I share with you my entries, my closes, my thoughts, my feelings, everything that's going on right now. Keep you guys up to date with what I do, because obviously I can't film videos like this every day when I'm on the fly. Keep you up with my pending trades, etc, etc. So if you want to know all that stuff, if you want to ask me any questions, obviously hit me up on Instagram, DM me, whatever, because I've been speaking to a lot of you guys, and all of you are clearly legends. You have the same mindset as me. A lot of you are in the same position as me. A lot of you have been furloughed and want to make an extra income. You want to go about Smartcharts, but you don't really know how to go about it. I've been speaking to a lot of you guys, and when I launch the group, I'll be able to help you all out at the same time, and we can work together and just make fat profits. And on that, God, this hair's bad. This is... And on that, I'm at 25% of my account. I know. That's because one of you guys reached out to me. Madasa is a legend. I call him the genie. And until I understand the strategy fully, it might be beginner's luck, because 25% growth in one day is not normal. Especially when Smartcharts says, look for a 1-to-1 reward. You'll be lucky to get a 3% to 4% growth a month. How about now? Okay, we're doing things differently on this channel. We're not going to do that. We're going to use the platform, because the platform is meant, apart from the spreads, but we're going to do different strategies. But I will explain that when I know it properly. Okay? When I know it properly. I'm going to try this. This is going to look... It might look worse or better. It's already better. I kind of look like an emotional person. We all know what I'm about to say. Anyway, so on today's video, I'm going to be talking about the DAX. Not the DAX, my bad. The dollar index, okay? What is the dollar index? The dollar index is basically a chart, like any other chart, that shows you the strength and weakness of the dollar. Why is this important? Well, if you're trading major pairs, AUD USD, cable, Euro USD, NZD USD, USD CAD, USD JPY. If you're trading those pairs, you're going to want to go with the direction of the strength of the stronger pair, right? So if you can see on the dollar index that it's getting weaker, and then you go on Euro USD and Euro USD is going up, that proves that you should be buying the Euro USD, because the dollar's getting weaker, the Euro's getting stronger. You need to find your entry points for buys, not sells, for buys. And if it looks a bit weird, aka if the dollar index is going up, so it should be getting stronger, but it's also going down on other pairs. So if the dollar index is going up and on the dollar CAD it's going down, right, then there's divergence. That means the banks are fucking with you, they're fucking with me, they're fucking with everyone, they're fucking with each other. There's a lot of shagging going on, okay? People are getting screwed because the price is going up but the strength is going down. Doesn't make any sense. Keep your eyes peeled, watch out for that stuff. It's divergence, it's sexy, it's advanced stuff. I don't really know it yet, I kind of know it. I'm still learning, and I'm going to show you guys my learning progress with this. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to jump on my computer, go through the charts, give you some examples, and give you some knowledge bombs on a Wednesday. And if I sound a bit weird, it's because I've had probably too much coffee. Today at work was very long, and I'm tired. As you can tell, I look like shit. So let's get in the computer. Right, okay, cool. Let me know if you can see this. Well, you can let me know. It's edited, it's not live, is it? I mean, it's not going live yet, as in when I start the group up, guys. So if you want to get involved in that, just ask to join. You won't be able to get in yet. I won't accept you yet, because I'm going to launch together so we can all learn together, all right? So when that gets up to a high enough number, We're almost at 100 subs as well, which is pretty sick. Thank you so much for the love, guys. So when it gets at a certain level, then it makes sense to launch the group when it's at that level. If that makes sense. Anywho, right, let's get on with the show. This is not a dollar pair. Let's go Euro USD. So, I'm on Smartcharts, I'm on Euro USD, I am on the daily. Now the only way that I figured out, well not really I figured out, the genie told me, Madassa, so he was saying, well actually Smartcharts doesn't have the, as far as I know, I'm going to have a quick search for it now because if it does then I feel like a bit of an idiot, but let's just have a look if they've got the dollar index. My guess is no. No. Thank God, right, I'm not going to look like a massive idiot. Okay, so they haven't got a dollar index. So what you need to do is go on to TradingView. You must all know TradingView because every YouTuber in the world uses TradingView. There's nothing wrong with that. It's just not my bag. Apart from the dollar index. I'm on the dollar index. I'm going to go on the daily. So this is saying, as you can see on the screen here, that you should be selling the dollar. You can see it was making higher highs and higher lows. Today it's broken it. So we've now got rid of, we've got rid of that low. So what's this telling us? That the dollar is getting weaker. I can even check my currency heatwave app if you guys are interested in that. And as you can see, if it loads, if it doesn't load, I'll screenshot it. Oh shit, can you see that? The dollar, super weak. It's on 0.57. So, that's correlation. So the dollar index is saying you should sell. It's also saying it on the heatwave app. Obviously don't take the app as gospel, take price action as gospel, because it's what's actually happening. So let's go back on the smart charts. It's saying the dollar is weak on the dollar index. It's also saying it on the currency heatwave app. And by saying that, the Euro USD should be going up. Looking at the Euro USD, it's going up. As you can see, we have, oh my God, that coffee's coming back, guys. We have an upwards trend. Obviously today we have this big green candle. So let's say I've broken this down into an hour chart. How does it look? Wow, the banks have been, the banks have been playing around with this. So look at that huge green candle. So, as you can see, if that makes sense, it's going to be like a quick little video just to show you guys, if you are trading the majors, aka anything that has a dollar in it, what place, what position, what bias should you be trading in? Well, you should be trading the stronger pair against the weaker pair. So, if you've got the dollar index saying it's going down, you check the heatwave app if you really want to, if you have it, if you don't, whatever. If that's saying it's weak as well compared to another pair, so let's open this up and have a look at the dollar is, as you can see, if it loads up, 0.57, the euro 5.43. So you get extra confluences. So you've got the dollar going down in strength, the euro USD, the euro going up in strength. So you should be buying the euro, selling the dollar, aka that makes sense on the charts. So what I'll be looking for here is not the sell retracements, is be looking for buy opportunities. Wait for price to retrace back, look for a buy. My advice, or where I would be looking for a buy, is if trend came around, or price, not trend, price came around this area. Okay? I know, none of this makes sense because they don't teach you it in smart charts. It's all a learning curve for me at the moment, but let me just show you this, because it's pretty fucking insane. I had a bad day today. Obviously on my Instagram you've seen that when I posted it, it was going really well, didn't quite hit my TP, retraced to my entry, now it's coming back down again. So if you have a look at my my open trade, you can see, oh bloody hell, that's kind of zoomed in. You see, I got in here, it whipped me in, it came down, came back up, came down, went back up again, and now it's coming down. I'm hoping it takes out these lows, because then I'll be banking 400 quid, aka it's demo money, so let's not shit it. But it's just proving the concept, because on the 23rd of this month, ladies and gentlemen, I'll be getting my live trial. If I don't get my live trial, a Smartcharts screws me in some weird way, I will be fuming and I'll have to come up with a new plan. But they said I need to make 9% in 3 months. Technically, the last 2 months, all I've done is lose 40%. But I'm massively coming back from that, so I've got until the 23rd of this month to get £5,450 in my account. Now I believe I can do that with a new knowledge, with the support of all you guys as well, which is just, it's just fucking insane, and I love you all. But this is what I want to bring the group together. So I hope my waffling hasn't really messed things up. Because obviously I showed you on my Instagram that, you know, I went down to -40, which, you know, most people won't show this stuff, but expect it to happen. When you start trading, you're figuring stuff out for the first time. You're not going to get it. You're not just going to go in and start smashing £10,000 a month. If you do, you're a legend, and please tell me what you're doing and share it with the group, because knowledge is power, isn't it? I mean, that's not a Ty Lopez reference, but you know what I mean? So I went down to -40 after 2 months. You know, you'd be pretty bummed at this point, but you know, just keep pursuing with it. Crazy stuff can happen, and now I'm back up to probably -26-ish. But I am confident I can get back up to 10% in 3 weeks. And if I do, it's gonna be awesome, and this channel's gonna get even better. So guys, I hope that makes sense. Quick wrap up. If the dollar index is going down, if you got the heat wave app as well, and it's saying it's weaker compared to the other currency that you want to trade, then you want to be selling the dollar and buying whatever it is you're trading against. Okay, so that way you don't choose the wrong bias or the wrong direction. You're going with the trend, even if it doesn't look like a trend on the charts, because sometimes it looks like a range or whatever. You know that when you're trading Euro USD, you're looking for sells on the dollar, so that means you are buying the euro. Okay, you're looking for buys on the Euro USD. If the dollar index is going down, the currency heat wave is saying it's weaker than that pair, you're looking for buys. I hope this makes sense and it helps you guys out from just choosing the wrong directions from the start. My battery's about to die. So thank you for watching, guys. Much love. I'll be doing another video this weekend, Saturday. If you want any questions, anything answered about Smartcharts or anything like that, please DM me, write me in the comment box below. I love you all. Please like, subscribe. See you on the next one.